Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and welcome to my own personal cafe. In the past few months, I've been getting to play barista at home ever since we got this Nespresso Essenza Mini espresso maker and this Aracino 3 milk frother. I love that this is ready to go with just the touch of a button. This is kind of geeky, but one of my favorite features of this machine is that it automatically dumps the espresso pod the next time you open it. So when you place the pod in and shut it, you brew, and then the next time you open it, the pod drops down into this chamber and it catches not only the canister, but then there's a separate container that holds all the water that's left in it. And it's easy to just take to the trash and dump. I don't know why, but I love that. The water reserve tank is also really easy to remove and fill up. You don't have to try to bring your water to the machine. You can just take the canister off and refill it. And I can't say enough good things about this milk frother. I love iced lattes and I love having foam on them, but that's really hard to do at home. And so this works incredibly with cold milk. Even plant-based milk, it works with that. It works great with hot milk as well, but I personally just like using it for the cold. Within 60 seconds, you've got frothy cold milk for your iced coffee or your espresso. Instead of getting our daily latte, we use this and it quickly paid for itself. So it might be a big purchase right off, but within a month, you might have paid for itself, depending on how big your latte habit is. So if you've been on the fence about getting one of these machines and the frother, take my word for it, they're awesome. And that's just my point of view.